Now all you have to do is place the key on the right configuration on top of this plastic frame and apply pressure. Did one of the keys in your laptop keyboard come off? Well, let's fix that now, shall we? Welcome to my channel. First of all, check to see if you still have the plastic frame behind your key or is it still fixed on your keyboard. If it's still on your keyboard, then skip to the part where I fix the key. I'll leave the timestamp in the description. If it's behind your key, then continue with me. The place in your laptop keyboard where the key goes should look like this. It should have 4 metallic extrusions and there should be 4 similar pockets on your plastic frame behind the key. Make sure none of these are damaged. Now slowly and carefully nudge out that plastic frame using a small screwdriver. Be very careful not to damage it. Now take the plastic part and before going any further, make sure that the rotating part in the middle is aligned properly. How can you know that the rotating part is aligned properly? Well, if it is not, it will bulge out a little. Check it out and see for yourself. After you made sure that the rotating part is aligned properly, position it such that the pockets in the plastic frame align itself with the metallic extrusions in the keyboard. After positioning it right, use your screwdriver to press the side of the key where the metallic extrusions are closer to each other. Slightly press and it will click into place. Next, press on the other side. This will totally lock the frame in its place. Now all you have to do is place the key on the right configuration on top of this plastic frame and apply pressure. And that's all. Your key is all set to go. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. Thanks for watching till now. I'm Bimal and see you next time.